Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in this week's brand new video we are going to unbox the $55 AirPods 2 clone, which is just so real and exact copy of the original ones. So let's quickly jump into the video and unbox it. So basically this clone is designed by Realme and is called Realme Buds Air. And if we turn the box, we get to see a lot of specifications over here of these earbuds, like wear detection, wireless charging, Bluetooth 5.0, dual mic noise cancelling, dynamic boost driver, as well as for the advanced audio coding. And the best part is that when you open the case, it will automatically get connected to your phone via Bluetooth. So let's quickly unbox this and see the Buds Air. So when you open the box, you will be able to see the Realme Buds Air with a translucent plastic seal around it. This seems to be quite impressive. Like, for the first impressions, it looks pretty good. And let's keep this aside for a while and check what else do we have in the box. So in the box we have a user manual or say guide and warranty card with it too, and that's some paperwork which we get with every product. And we have finally got a type C charging cable, and no doubt the length of this charging cable is short, but it's okay and we'll get used to it. Getting back to the buds, first of all let me peel off the seal so that we can get a clear view of the buds. And let's talk about the design of this case. So talking about the design of the case, it looks so similar to the AirPods which we have right now just beside it, and from every angle. Like AirPods, we have designed by Realme in the Realme Buds Air, a charging indicator that's in the front that we get in the AirPods 2 with a wireless case, and when you hold them like side by side, you can actually differentiate between which is Apple AirPods and which is the Realme Buds Air, because the build quality both differ, as the AirPods feel to be quite bulky and seems to be premium, while the Realme Buds Air are not as heavy as the AirPods and feel a bit light and is not as premium as the AirPods. The buds also look just like the Apple AirPods, which have the sensors nicely placed, making it difficult to distinguish which is the Apple AirPods and which is the Realme Buds Air. And apart from charging the buds with the Type-C charging cable, you can also charge it wirelessly by either placing it on a wireless charging pad or any phone that supports reverse wireless charging, and it would be charged. And this is so far the coolest feature I've ever seen in the wireless buds. So that was a quick unboxing of the Realme Buds Air, and I hope you liked it. So if you did, then don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to this channel for weekly tech content, and see you guys in the next video. Till then, peace.